Who's this little guy?
It's my son.
What's his name?
Caleb. Say hi.
Hi. How old are you? 5. You want to come up here? Stand over here. Okay. Who's your favorite person in the whole world?
My mom.
Your mom. Oh, you're doing good so far, right? Your mom has a speeding violation. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Is she guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
She's not guilty. Oh. Isn't he smart? Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Only my only sister on my stomach.
One sister?
Yeah, on my stomach.
Oh. Oh, in her stomach. This is one smart boy.
Yeah, thank you.
Has your mom received any baby gifts yet?
No.
No? You want to give her a baby gift today? Okay.
I
Now,
already have it.
the only baby gift we can give her is we can dismiss the case. Do you want to dismiss the case?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now I want you to bang the desk. Case
Case
dismissed.
Smith.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
we're going to give you an early baby gift, okay?
Thank you.
Because your lawyer's up here and he says you're not guilty right away.
Right. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right, good luck to you.